Running kimono, this is an urgent, if you love the Tide Downy, those products, this product is actually giving a double dip, which rarely, barely happens. You're supposed to buy 3 and get back a $3 register reward, but it's doing both. It's giving you both a register reward plus $3 in Walgreens cash. So it is for the Tide Simply Pods, this glorious Downy, and then these tiny itty bitty unstoppable, like, you know, they put like 1 ounce of beads in there. So if you wanted to mix and match, I think that would be a problem. But just to jog you through what I did, I grabbed 3 of these softeners, the pink tops, and they are like $3 and some change this week, but you have to buy them in increments of 3. And just to show you what I did, I got a $5 store register reward from the Garnier deal that I did in this video. So I threw this in to offset it. And then I also threw in $5 in Walgreens cash. I paid 16 cents, tax included, and then I got back a $3 register reward and $3 in Walgreens cash. So as you can see, this Downy is $3.29 for each. So for 3 of them, it's $8. My store register reward off, and I used $5 in Walgreens cash right there. So hopefully you can follow what I'm saying. If you want to use $10 in Walgreens cash, grab something cheap to get your basket right to $10 on the nose. So there it is. And just to show you, I used $5 in Walgreens cash and earned $3 in Walgreens cash. So I would really move on this sooner or later. When they're going to pull this, who knows? But to get $6 back for buying 3 of these little items, I don't think that's how it was meant to go, but it's just some sort of thing in the system right now. So it is Sunday around noontime. Do this ASAP. Let me know in the comments if you have any luck or if it's not working for you. Good luck. We have Walgreens right here. I need to go buy a lottery ticket. Most of the stuff worked out. We had a couple hiccups, but I'll talk about that. I did a $40 basket because I had a 9 back when you spend 40. Plus I had the digital booster of spend 20, get back 5. And it worked out really well for me. Even without the register rewards, I did the math and this would be like a $2 money maker. So really fantastic. And then right here is day 2 of the Dollar General clearance event. I am not going today unless they're handing out bricks of gold. Hit a wall. I'm very tired. I think I did like 13 or 14 stores in 2 days. And even for me, that's kind of crazy. Yesterday, I was just cherry picking tiny freebies, and I actually stumbled into a deal first thing in the morning, and I kind of went hard on that. And we'll talk about what I found at the balance of the video because I know not everybody cares about the Dollar General. And this clearance event ends today, which is Sunday the 12th. When it hits, whenever your store closes and when it opens the next day, which is the 13th, which is Monday, just to let you guys know, everything that was on clearance will be full price again. The weather report for you guys, because a lot of you enjoy the weather report. It's about 80 degrees today. Hi to my mom if she's watching. I hope she's having a super duper day. Okay, so the first store we're going to go to is Walgreens, and this is in store. And I'm going to talk about this deal right off the bat. So if you don't want to do anything with a booster or you never get boosters, this might be one for you. The Oral-B floss and the Garnier is on the same promotion. So if you're going to do both, you must do them in separate transactions so the register reward will print. No ifs, ands, or buts. Those are the rules. So I grabbed 3 of these Oral-B flosses, and they are $4 a pop. So for 3 of them, that's $12 on the nose. This morning, we got a very generous 7 off of 2 digital. I can roll $5 in Walgreens cash if I wish, and then the $5 register reward printed. I did this deal without a booster, just to let you know that. For the if you're going to do this deal like without a booster, we're just going to jog through it. These are 2 for $7. So for 4 of them, that's $14 on the nose. We have a 3 off of 2 for this and a 3 off of 2 for this. You would pay the balance, which is $8. You can use Walgreens cash if you wish, and then get back a $5 store register reward. So the final price for this is $3 for the 4 or 75 cents per shampoo. Another free toothpaste deal this week is with the Colgate. They are $3.99 a pop, so for 2 of them, that's $7.98. We have a 3 off the 2 digital. You would pay $4.98 out of pocket or roll some Walgreens cash if you wish, and then you're getting back $5 in Walgreens cash. These are the noteworthy deals to do. Remember, you'd have to do these separately. You can't do them together because they're on the same promotion. If you have no boosters, no nothing, but you still want to get a couple little goodies, those are the goodies for you. Okay, so to get my basket, I'm gonna remove these. To get the old basket right to $40, because I was using a paper booster, which was spend 40, get back 9, plus my digital, which was spend 20, get back 5. And when I first got into the store, I bought some newspapers and thus the little friend printed for me. So bulking up my basket, I have $7.98 for the 2 Colgates. I have $14 of the shampoo. I grabbed 3 of these Nivea body washes. Now here is my problem. IBOTTA had $2 back for this, $2 back for this, and I had $1 back for this. When I submitted the receipt, instead of getting back 5, I only got back the 1, so I had to send in a ticket with them, but I'm sure they'll give me my $4 back. If you have that rebate, I don't know why it vanished for me, but it did. But IBOTTA sometimes does stupid things like that. What I would do is grab 3 of these. Unfortunately, my store only had 2, so that's why I had to get the men one, and it messed everything up. Anywho, these are $5 a piece. When you buy 3, you get back $5 in Walgreens cash. And the last thing to get my basket right to 40 was a Scott paper towel and a Scott toilet paper. 2 of them, and when you buy 2, they become $7.50, and then we have $1 off digitals for both, so it makes them like really cheap per. So going through the math for all of this stuff, so the 3 Niveas, the shampoo, the Colgate, and the paper products, that's $44.48. I had $14 in boosters I'm using, so I must use my debit card to pay down the balance. No ifs, ands, or buts. I also had $18 in register rewards from last week, 2 5s and 2 4s. And as I got the cashier to scan every single barcode, yes, it worked for me, no problems, no issues. And I also had $11 of digitals that came off. $3 so that's really fantastic. This friend unfortunately had no digital coupons. So after all of that came off, my new total is $15.48, and I paid with my debit card, guys, because I'm using spend boosters, and then I got back $24 in Walgreens cash, 14 for the 2 boosters, 9 back when you spend 40, and 5 back when you spend 20. And then I also got back $5 in Walgreens cash for this, and then $5 in Walgreens cash for this, the $5 store register reward for this printed. I still got to photograph my receipt to fetch for that, and then hopefully $5 back from IBOTTA for this, 2, 2, and $1. Meh, I'm pissed off about that. But it should be, for me, it was a really big money maker, and I was able to roll those manufacturer register rewards. If you get 2 of these, it'll be free plus a $1.52 money maker. I only got $1 for this, but still really fantastic. Even if you don't have the $18 in register rewards, it's still a free haul if you have both the 9 off 40, or the 9 back when you spend 40 and the 5 back when you spend 20. Before you do your big monster transaction, just buy something small, a candy bar, a newspaper, see if something prints out. You might be so lucky. So that was super uber good. And then I also bought some newspapers, and I used my Walgreens cash to buy them, and they have the Smart Source insert. There's a couple interesting coupons in here, like nothing to write home about, but these Colgate ones for Rite Aid this week, that's gonna be fantastic. You know, just the regular mill. And I do like to get a couple paper coupons. Okay, so a lot of people were writing in the comments first thing this morning that their $2 digital coupon vanished for the Viva, the one that you could load 2 weeks ago. Now, customer service has a record, even if the coupon disappears, that you did load it, and I think it's valid for a couple of weeks. So at the very least, buy it, even if the dollar coupon's the only one that comes off. You're owed that extra $1, so get in touch with customer service and they will give you a credit. Okay, so today is the last day of the Dollar General clearance event. It runs for 3 days, and we're just going to coast through this really quickly because I want to try and make this video quick. So this is a deal that I found yesterday, and yes, I did buy it at a couple stores, but I think I visited 6 stores yesterday, so I didn't clear stores. Just to note that these OxyCleans are $1.69. Affixed right here, there was $1 Peely, so it would drop it down to 69 cents. And you can use up to 5 like coupons. So if you grabbed 5 of them, it would be like $3 and some change. This is a product, I mean, we barely see deals for, so I really went hard with that. Little deal with the Clean and Clear. It's like a soft scrub for your face. This was $2.69. Subtracting the $2.50 digital, it was like really cheap, guys. It was 35 cents, so really fantastic deal. Okay, and we have these dryer sheets, the 100 count. I had to put in this plastic thing because they are really perfumey. I can't even deal with that. These are $1.57. We have $1 digital, dropping it down to 57 cents per over 2 store cards. Now this I just paid out of pocket for. These are $1.50 each. IBOTTA has a $1.50 rebate. I got 5 of them and I got it 5 times, so it was like $7.50 back. It made all of these completely for free. Brown Dot home decor, and I'm not much of a home decor person, so I really didn't go too hard on this. These were 30 cents for a pack of coasters, and you just look for the Brown Dot. Most stores were completely cleared out, but I was able to find a couple coasters, and I know somebody with a K and somebody with an M, so I bought them, and it's just like, kind of cute. These Airwick, it's like a little oil. I did find these at one store, so I did a couple transactions. They're $1.50. We have a $1.50 digital coupon, making it completely for free. Mr. Parodontax is $2.12. We have a digital $1.50, so it drops it down to 62 cents. If you have gum issues, you know the value of this. This guy today, which is the Tide Coral, it is the 48 loader. This guy is $4.04. We have a $2 digital, dropping it down to $2.02 for this beautiful detergent. And then the final thing, this was like a mirage to see. These Quilted Northerns are $3.37. We have a $1.50 coupon, so it would drop it down to $1.87. I did that over 2 store cards, and we also have a $1 digital, so it'd make it $2.37. So I paid like $4 per, which isn't a bad price for Quilted Northern, considering that's usually like upwards of $8 for a 12 pack. So anywho, I'm out of breath. This was my final Dollar General haul. I've been to so many stores, I just outdid it. Unless they're handing out gold, I am so not going. That's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.